Hi, I'm Sreya Saha. I graduated from the University of Engineering and Management, Kolkata. Currently, I'm doing an internship from Sikharthy Infotech Pvt, Kolkata as a management intern. Sikharthy Infotech Pvt is a best company for web development in Kolkata. It provides with website development, website designing, content development, and also with all kinds of digital marketing services in Kolkata. They have a dedicated and a high-skilled team of resources for all kinds of assistance. They provide with skill development from their high-skill development wings to the freshers and the interns to join into IT sectors. They also provide with internship programs for the interns and the students to build with their professions. Therefore, I invite all the interns from Pan India to join in with Sikharthy Infotech Pvt Limited and learn and work with the new technologies.